Sentencing put off for Ninjaman and Co-Convicts. Handcuff shortage also caused delays during today's proceedings. The sentencing of dancehall entertainer Ninjaman and his co-convicts has been put off until Monday, December 18, 2017. Ninjaman, whose real name is Desmond Ballantyne, his son Janelle and Dennis Clayton were to be sentenced in the Home Circuit Court today for the 2009 murder of Ricardo Ricky Trooper Johnson. The three were convicted on November the 20th for the murder in the Lower Mall Road community of Kingston. However, the sentence had to be postponed because Clayton's attorney, Gladstone Wilson, was absent and some character witnesses were not available for court today. The court was told that Wilson, who represents Clayton, was at the Old Harbour Court attending to another matter. In response, Justice Gale requested that the police get in touch with the Old Harbour Court and inform Wilson to promptly come to the Home Circuit Court, which is of a higher jurisdiction. Queen's Counsel Valerie Neita-Robertson, who represents Ninjaman, made a plea to Justice Gale to allow her two character witnesses to take the stand. With this request not being granted, one of the character witnesses, who Ballantyne's attorney had intended to call up, had to leave the court for another appointment. Attorney Lyndon Wright, who is representing Janelle, then requested that the sentencing be put off to a later date as he had other matters to attend to, which was also initially dismissed by Justice Gale. However, Justice Gale eventually took the option of postponing the sentencing. It is also being alleged that the proceedings were delayed as a result of a handcuff shortage facing police officers who were to escort the artists along with other convicts and prisoners. When the case was called before the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston, an attorney disclosed the situation in the courtroom. Ninjaman was later brought to the courtroom. The three convicts are facing the possibility of life in prison.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
So peeps, the case has gone full circle. The irony is so unreal and so cruel. I mean, the same problem that plagued the trial getting underway for 8 years has been a part of the problem facing sentencing, as Ninjaman would have been to court about 17 times with over 23 mentioned dates over the course of 8 years before the trial actually got underway, and today was supposed to be sentencing, and for whatever reasons it was not completed and has been pushed back. Boy, may I tell you, when it rains it pours. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.